Yeah, good day. This is Mega Ario transmitting from Alagomeji Nigerian Railway Transport System. This is the last Friday of the first Friday of the month of September. Bear with me as I bring to you quality videos from the Nigeria Railway Corporation terminal, Alagomeji terminal. This is the newest railway station on this block. This has eliminated the railway station at Iddo. The Iddo station is no longer in operation, and this is Mobil Johnson rail station in Alagomeji, where you take your buses. Where you can take your train to Ibadan for 6,500. 6,500 naira business class. Bear with me as I bring to you this wonderful edifice. This is Alagomeji. This is the Mobolaji Johnson station at Alagomeji bus stop. These are the new structures that is being built by the government of Nigeria. That is the Mobolaji Johnson complex, Mobolaji Johnson station at Alagomeji here in Yaba. I'm working my way to Oyigbo. This project is contracted to the Chinese. And I believe they've done a marvelous job. A ride here to Ibadan costs just 6,500 naira, which is equivalent to about $450. That won't break your bank. Ladies and this is Mega Ario in the city of Lagos, Nigeria, Yaba, Alagomeji area. I'm walking my way from Alagomeji bus stop, Mobolaji Johnson train station to Iddo. Here with me. Bring quality video to your doorstep. I'm the only channel that does that. Sit down, take a bottle of soda and relax while I bring quality video to your household. This is Mega Aerial. The Nigerian Railway used house. Beautiful place. Those of you who have been outside Nigeria for so long, take this opportunity to check this video out, especially those of you who live in this neighborhood. This is Yaba, Lagos.
I see I get them right.
I'm at the Alagomeji area and I'm walking my way to Iddo. Watch my video, subscribe to them and give me thumbs up. Thank you for watching. The weather is so gracious, mild and sunny without the usual humidity. I'm on Muritala Muhammad Way in Yaba, and I'm heading my way to Onyibo. Jonesville, 500, please. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my video and give me thumbs up. This is Yaba heading to Iddo here in Lagos. I'm walking my way on Muritala Muhammad Way to Iddo bus stop. Thanks for watching. This is Iddo bus stop here in Yaba of Muritala Way. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Give me thumbs up. Like my video. This is Iddo bus stop, Yaba. Thank you and have a wonderful moment.